I'm Ollie from Quicksilver Exhausts and welcome to the cabin of my BMW i8. This car features Quicksilver's new Titan Sound Architect exhaust. That's a titanium silencer with stainless link pipes. It's got plug and play active valves which integrate with all the car's driving modes. It's catback, so it's emissions friendly, and it sounds the nuts. I'm confident that it gives the car the sound to match the looks and performance, and I hope you will too. Let's go. So the aim with this exhaust was to give you the best blend of sound. Because of the i8's valve control and the way it works, the car spends a proportionate amount of its time with the valve shut. Even when you're in sport mode, the car's valve is opening and shutting as a percentage. It has a very clever electronic SBS valve. If I put it into sport mode now, you'll hear the revs come up, but the valve still isn't fully open. It's just opening to relieve back pressure as a percentage. If I roll on the throttle slowly, you'll hear what I mean. As I get to a certain input, the valve will open. Ready? There it goes. Drops down into a lower gear, the valve will shut again. So even when you're in sport mode, you're not always getting the full sound. If I put it back into comfort now, you'll hear the valve shuts and the engine noise is minimised. Because of the amount of time it spends in this mode, we thought it was important that you had a great sound in both modes. You don't necessarily want it to be loud when the valve is shut, but because when you're around town in sport mode, unless you're absolutely hoofing it, you're not going to get that valve open. It's important that it should sound present and have a nice tone without ruining your driving experience. Now, we're currently sat at 40 miles an hour. You can hear the engines running behind me. There's a note there, it's certainly more present than it was before, but it's not overbearing. And that's the beauty with this system. You can have it nice and chilled like this when you don't want it, but when you do want it,